Hi, this is John with WTI. And recently, I've been so invested into getting back into playing basketball, playing 2, 3 times a week because I'm getting ready for a tournament that I'm playing with my friends. And this is the ball that I've been using. This is the Wilson Authentic indoor and outdoor ball. So a few things that I like the most about this ball is the grip. It has a great grip. It's not gonna be so flimsy that ball is gonna be dropping out. Has a great feeling in the hands. It's so versatile because when you're using a ball, it really can wear off really fast if it's not for outdoors and vice versa. So the fact it has a great bounce, it's a great quality, and it just does the job. Some of my friends will actually even prefer this from their balls every time that we go into play. So nice bounce, nice materials. It is the great durability because it could be for outdoors and indoors. In the outdoors where I'm living, it's just like cement courts, so it could be really hard on the materials. But this one has been taking it like a champ. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.